In this presentation, we will see what is Express.js. Express.js is a free and open source web application framework for Node.js. It is used for designing and building web applications quickly and easily. Web applications are web apps that can run on a web browser. Since Express.js only requires JavaScript, it becomes easier for programmers and developers to build web applications and API without any efforts. Express.js is a framework of Node.js, which means that most of the code is already written for programmers to work with. You can build a single page, multi-page, or hybrid web applications using Express.js. Express.js is lightweight and helps to organize web applications on the server side into more organized MVC architecture. It is important to learn JavaScript and HTML to be able to use Express.js. Express.js makes it easier to manage web applications. The JavaScript library of Express.js helps the programmer to build efficient and fast web apps. Express.js enhances the functionality of the Node.js. In fact, if you don't use Express.js, then you have to do a lot of complex programming to build an efficient API. It has made programming in Node.js effortless and has given many additional features. Here I have listed the features of Express.js. The first feature is faster server-side deployment. Express.js provides many commonly used features of Node.js in the form of functions that can be readily used anywhere in the program. This removes the need of coding for several hours and thus saves the time of programmer and developer. Second feature is middleware. Middleware is a part of the program that has access to the database, client requests, and the other middlewares. It is mainly responsible for the systematic organization of different functions of Express.js. Next feature is routing. Express.js provides a highly advanced routing mechanism which helps to preserve the state of the web page with the help of their URLs. Next feature is templating. Express.js provides templating engine that allows the developer to build dynamic content on the web pages by building HTML templates on the server side. And last feature of Express.js is debugging. Debugging is a crucial for the successful development of web applications. Express.js makes debugging easier by providing a debugging mechanism that has the ability to pinpoint the exact part of the web application which has bugs. So, in this presentation, I have given a brief information about the features of Express.js. Thank you.